Hey YouTube, this is New York TCG. I just came back from Target and I just found this blister pack that had a Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres promo. It also has a Tyranitar coin and 2 packs on the back. So it seems like the glue is pretty strong with this pack. So I'm opening it up here. Okay. Wow. Just made a complete mess on my desk. But anyways, let's take this out. Sorry about that, it's my phone. Alright. So, oops. So this is the Tyranitar coin. And then the 3 promo cards. Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. And then we have 1 Plasma Freeze pack and 1 Next Destinies pack. So I'll open up the Next Destinies first. Yeah. So here we have Pokemon Center, Heavy Ball, Starmie, Vanillite, Pansear, Ralts, try to get it closer there, Growlithe, oops, Bronzor, a reverse hollow Jigglypuff, and a Weavile. Hold on, I'm just going to clear out my desk a little bit. There we go. Moving on to the Plasma Freeze pack. Hoping to at least get a hollow, rare hollow from this. So here's that code that I give away on every video. Alright. And on to the second pack, we have Wooper, Beldum, Pawniard, Chinchou, Sandile, Vaporeon, Onyx. Wow, I like the artwork on that card. That one's pretty nice. Miltank, a reverse hollow Rattata, and a Leafeon. So no hollows there, but pretty good blister pack nonetheless. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my videos. Thank you.